Today, I'll show you how to download a Webex recording video with ease, whether you're looking to keep a record of your meetings for future reference or you need to share them with colleagues. This guide will help you accomplish that in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is the starting point for accessing your meetings and their recordings. Once you're on the Webex homepage, you should see a user-friendly interface that allows you to manage your meetings and recordings. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu. From this menu, click on the Meetings option. This will take you to a page where all your scheduled meetings are listed. It's a handy feature for keeping track of your upcoming and past meetings. After you've clicked on Meetings, look for the meeting from which you want to download the recording. You'll notice a button labeled Start next to your meeting. Click on this button to proceed. It's important to note that even if the meeting has already concluded, the Start button will lead you to the meeting's details. Once you've clicked Start, you'll see an option to start meeting again. Click on this. It might seem a bit redundant, but it ensures that you're accessing the correct session and its associated data. By doing so, you're essentially entering the meeting room interface where you can manage recordings. Now, direct your attention to the top of your browser window, specifically in the extension section. Here, you should see an icon or a link for meeting recording. Clicking on this will reveal options related to your meeting recordings. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Audio and Video. Click on it to ensure that both the audio and video components of your meeting are included in the recording download. This step is crucial if you want a comprehensive record of your meeting. Once you've verified the settings and are ready to proceed, click on Stop. This action finalizes the recording process. The intuitive design of Webex means that as soon as you hit Stop, the recording will automatically begin downloading to your computer. And that's it. Your Webex meeting recording is now saved on your computer, ready for playback whenever you need it. It's a straightforward process that ensures you never miss a detail from your important meetings. Remember, having a copy of your meetings can be incredibly useful for reviewing discussions, sharing with team members who couldn't attend, or simply keeping for future reference. Webex makes it easy to manage and download these recordings, saving you both time and effort. I hope you found this guide helpful for downloading your Webex video recordings. If you need any further assistance or have more questions, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out to Webex support for more detailed help. Happy downloading!